guys, this is how to make Chainsaw Man. First thing first, you gotta give him his clothes. So you got to give him his clothes. The closest thing I could give him is this thing, these things. What the? Let me close the internet. Sorry guys.
هاي مامس، كنت محتاجة مساعدتك في حاجة. هو انتوا بتعملوا ايه في دروس الاولاد؟
احنا بناخد ماث على النجوى كلاسز، وبصراحة حلوة قوي. وعلى فكرة تقدري تبدلي بين المدرسين، بس الحقيقة عشان السيتس قليلة.
ازيك يا حبيبتي؟ This is the last one. I'm sorry that I didn't close the ads. And the other thing, the new gift update has a wasteland sort, bro, man, dang. We might wanna just make this a little bit bigger. Like this. That's okay. Now let's just disable collision. Will it go inside of him? Yep, it will go inside of him. So we select all of this and enable collision. And now we put his head. It's pretty good. I'll promise it's on your phones, guys. I promise all of you have it too. I promise. So trust me, because I am working on a phone right now. Okay, I forgot about that. Let's just no our chainsaw man. We can't do that if you keep doing this, bro. Okay. Oh, I got to do this now. This and okay. I got to. I just took off his hands. Okay. I am lagging myself. What the? I can't talk. A theory. It's a new theory. Let's move to what the heck? I just broke it. I just want to make only this. As rotation freezes. Okay. I'll put back the legs. No, I got put the legs again. Oh, it's okay. So okay. Make it all freeze rotation. I shout. I should shout every time. I shout because I need to shout because I'm not using the AirPods. I don't know where the heck is the upper hand, but it's okay. It's okay. Nothing is bad. Nothing bad. Nothing bad. It's okay. It's okay. Bro, what the fudge? Put it here and okay. I didn't know it's gonna be harder than I thought. Not hard. I thought it's gonna be easy on me. It's gonna be easy on me. It's gonna good. Bro. I think this is okay to use. Just want to, and that's it. And let's put the head back. No. Oh shit. No. I don't want that. Put this. How?
المهم يعرفوا الفرق ما بين اللي هم عايزينه وهم محتاجينه عشان يعرفوا يحافظوا على فلوسهم من سن صغير.
انا لما ابتديت مع ابني علمته
Maybe he wants disable collision, enable collision. Maybe we take off his clothes. He's naked now. How? I froze the rotation. I swear I just did that. Yeah. Let's take this off and only bro. Freeze rotation. I'll freeze the rotation. Freeze rotation. Yes. My thing has worked. Let's wait. Let's do that, guys, and do this. Put this. It looks pretty cool. Good to me. The clothes, yeah, the clothes. Forgot. Clothes. How could I forget about that? Let's put this. It's very good. This is very good. Let's How did he do that? Bye. That was my little brother. He's kind of cute. Okay, I need to make that be set there as he all the way in front. I should make his hand. No collision. Disable collision. Good. Let's go. Okay, that's the best thing. Let's go. What the Oh. Oh, I got an idea. It's a very good idea. Oh, you kiss me, I kiss you. My brother is a cute baby. Bro. Oh, wait. It seems you don't care, like you don't care. I don't care. The only thing I care about that I love it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm being rude. I'm starting to be rude. Don't give me. I told you guys I closed the internet. Set layer as in front. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Good. If we did, now we did that. What the abomination is that? Throw a... Okay. Chainsaw Man is meat. Let's try him. The Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw Man looks like the anime movie or not? Whoa, that's cool. That's pretty cool. I didn't know anything, but kill him. What? Bro died! Oh my! No. It's one time video use. It's okay.